Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, August 15, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, getting started here. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 15 points to 28.55 and 3/4 per contract. To be honest, the futures market has been all over the map today. You could see it was as low as 28.20, as high as 28.70. Now we're settling in at around 28.56. So this could change by the time you watch this video in about 10-15 minutes. So again, we've been all over the map. There's lots of chatter that China has come out and said they want to meet the U.S. halfway. Earlier today, about an hour earlier, they said they're going to retaliate. There's so much stuff going on. You could tell it's options expiration on Friday. That's what you get. A lot of jibber jabber on both sides. So there's a lot going on here. Yesterday, the markets were absolutely slaughtered, and it happened on volume. Today, we're inching up a little bit ahead of the open. We'll see what we get today. I'm not looking for anything spectacular. Next up, let's go to earnings, and let's go to stocks in the news. Walmart up first. Looks like Walmart right now is being praised as the savior of the market. Stock closed yesterday at 106.20, now trading at around 113.30. Great pop for Walmart. When Walmart moved up, everybody just jumped on the bandwagon there, said everything is fine. But one stock doesn't make the market. So Walmart, which is groceries and discounted clothing wear and things like that. Great store, great company. But again, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard, that it's going to save the market. Either way, stock has a lot of resistance all the way at its double top high. That would be right in the range of around 115.5. We'll see if it could get through there. If it gets through there, it has room to run. But great pop for Walmart, but it's not the savior of the stock market like it's being touted. All right, let's get over to another one here. Alibaba, world's largest Chinese ADR. Stock right now also reacting nicely to earnings, closing in at 167.80 at the moment. The stock finished the day yesterday at 162.06. So got a good little pop here. Right off the bat, though, a lot of resistance around 175. If it can get up there, I'm not even sure it does that. But if it does, there's a lot of resistance at 175. Let's take a look at CSCO Systems. They reported earnings last night. Stock is trading at $47.44, closed at $50.61. Earlier when I was doing gap plays, I saw the stock down here at $45.50. So I'm going to put the level out there in case we test those lows. So again, I'll have a gap play ready to go today. It's going to be lower than this number, just slightly. And if it gets there, we'll look to trade it. If it doesn't, we'll leave it alone. Let's take a look at NTAP, NetApp. The stock right now is trading at 45.25, closed at 44.71. So this is holding up pretty well. I actually like the $40 level. If it pierces that and gets down there today, I think there could be a play there. Keep that on the radar a little bit later. Let's take a look at Agilent. Letter A is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $71, closed at 65.59 yesterday. Good little pop there for Agilent. We'll see how high this thing can go. I see a lot of resistance in the range right here. So again, more around 72.50 to 73. But we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings a little bit later. Let's take a look at Canopy Growth. This is a cannabis play. It's been one of the high flyers there. Stock right now trading at 28.41. Did trade as low as 27. I would watch the $25 level today. That level just intrigues me. It's nothing all that specific, but if it gets down to 25, I definitely think there's a lot of support in that range for Canopy Growth today. We'll keep that on the radar. You may also want to look at the other cannabis plays, Kronos. That could be trading in sympathy. Tilray, that got hammered, though, on its own earnings. That is down in the gutter, and I think you have ACB. This is Amerisource. This is Aurora Cannabis. This is trading at $5.95, a little bit weaker today as well. But CGC gets down to $25. I think that could be on my radar today for a bounce play. JCPenney, I believe they had earnings as well. I don't really do much with it. Stock right now is trading at 66 cents, closed at 57 cents. So you got a little uptick there. GE is in the news today. So, again, you could check that out for yourself. But it looks like somebody from Bernie Madoff saying GE is a Ponzi scheme or something along those lines. You can check out the news for yourself. That stock certainly under pressure this morning, trading at $8.76. That has been a real dog with fleas as of late, and again, still remains on the weaker side. Let's take a look here at TPR, which is Tapestry. I think they had earnings as well. Stock closed at $25. Now trading at $23.12. I don't even have a level to give you on this that I feel comfortable with. So we're just going to skip over Tapestry. But again, that's the old coach. It got as low as $22. I suppose that's a little line in the sand. But again, I just don't even see a really good level to give you here. This one still does not look like a good chart to me. All right, let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today are pulling back. They're down $5.40 to $1,522 an ounce. Gold is overbought, and really that's just to simply put, you could see it's been chopping around this black line that I have drawn in here. So today you have the GLD at $142.54. Spot gold again down about $5, $1,522 an ounce. So gold retreating a little bit today. Crude oil, on the other hand, also down. That's lower by 32 cents to $54.90 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, that's at $11.40. Closed at $11.44. So we'll see what we get there. Again, gold and oil both a little bit lower. We got some moving parts out here. I'm going to try to have a couple levels posted up for you in the intraday stock chat room right at 8:30. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a dynamite 2019. We're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day. We'll see you a little bit later on the charts.